Okay, so we're back on the double cab. I think the last you saw I was working on the floor. So I have that just laid in there. All the spot welds or the holes are drilled for the spot welding it and coped around there. And then this was for a bus, and like these pillars are in different locations, so had to notch that and then like fill some notches that we don't need. So yeah, it's not welded in yet, but it's all fitted up nice, so happy with that. And so then I got that pillar, the B pillar in this one here. That took a long time. It just wasn't fitting right, so I had to kind of cut it and make the shape different, but it looks pretty good now. And that's that piece. So a little bit more cleaning up and it'll be good. And yeah, and then at the front here, this is where I have the cab welded on here, just at the front so far. So yeah, I could now weld in this dog leg, that one, but I think I'm first gonna just want to get this side a bit further along. So this door post, I need to well, I cut off the rust previously, so now I need to extend it. And we have a full length door post here, just here. So we have a full length piece here that I would replace the whole thing, but as you can see, I think it's from an earlier year, so the door latch bolt pattern's different. So I'll cut it, yeah, I'll just replace it from there down, and it'll still be a good repair. Yeah. So want to do that, get the door bolted on this side, make sure the gap is close, and then if it is, then I can weld the bottom, I can weld it down here. That'll kind of set the door gap. So yeah, I think that's the next task. Okay, so as you can see, that takes a while to fit. And yeah, it's pretty close now. But I want to hang this door on, the passenger front door on. Make sure this post doesn't need to come forward or back, and then I can start welding that. So yeah, but the distance between that hinge and that hinge is the same as on the door, so that's kind of pretty close to where it needs to be. Yep. Okay, got the door fitted. Took off the window frame. It's just easier that way. And have a strap there. It's not too tight. It is helping keep the gap nice, and it's a pretty even gap. Happy with that. And also up front here, it looks good. I had to kind of tweak the hinge a little bit, but yeah, now I can continue. So yeah, and once I get this piece fitted, then I'll fit the door, so the back door. So let's give it a go. So here we are, back at it. Yeah, I'm not sure where I left off, but I've been working on this doorpost, and I got that all finished, and then kind of have to fit the door at the same time, so I'm really happy with the gaps. I had to like kind of mess with the hinges to get the gaps nice. Yeah, still have to weld in the bottom sill, but yeah, it's coming. But now that the doorpost is on, I want to work on putting the dog leg on. So that'll just help kind of set the gap for the door, and it's not too far off, which is nice because I think sometimes they are. So yeah. Oh yeah, and then I have the nose is just clamped on there. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to make sure I had to fit the doors and wanted to make sure the lines lined up. So, and it's actually really good. So yeah, so kind of here you can kind of see, you know, definitely want that to follow through, and same with up here. Yeah, so, and then here the back gap, it's nice. Might have to come, yeah, when I weld the dog leg in, I'll adjust it just slightly. Yeah, and this paint line is not where the bend is, so it's actually, yeah, more like that. Anyways, yeah, so that's that. And one thing I did with the doors before bolting them on, this one it was good, the hinges are good on this side. I put oversized pins in it, even just temporarily, because that will need to be changed out. But when the hinge pins are loose, it's just so hard to get the doors kind of fitted right, I find. So yeah, this hinge will actually have to be replaced, that pin, because that's what the mirror attaches to, and same with this one. It's not the right pin, but at least it's tight for fitting. So yeah.